In this video, you'll learn how to fix missing dependencies in Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve issues effectively, ensuring your environment is set up correctly to work with Claude Code. Start by confirming the exact error message. Open your command line interface and type Claude Doctor. This command will check for any issues. If the Doctor command is not available, use Claude-debug instead. Pay attention to the output, specifically looking for the exact name of the missing module, as this will guide your next steps. Next, verify your Node version. As Claude Code 2026 builds require a modern version of Node, type Node-V into your command line. If the version displayed is below v20, you will need to upgrade immediately. To do this, run the command whenec upgrade openjs, node.js, LTS. After the upgrade is complete, restart PowerShell to ensure the changes take effect. Now, it is essential to clean any broken global installations, as corrupted node_modules are responsible for approximately 80% of dependency errors. Begin by uninstalling Claude Code globally with the command npm uninstall-g at anthropic/Claude Code. Next, clear the npm cache by executing npm cache clean-force. It is crucial to perform this step to avoid potential conflicts. After clearing the cache, remove any leftover global files. Use the command remove item $nvo temnutes anthropic i-recurse-force error action silently continue to delete the specific directory. Following that, run remove item $env epp.amplord -force error action. Silently continue to clean up any remaining files related to Claude Code. Proceed to reinstall Claude Code with a fresh resolution. Use the command npm install-g at anthropic/Claude Code at latest to get the latest version. After the installation, verify that the installation was successful by running Claude-V. This step will confirm that the application is correctly set up. If you encounter an error within a project, it indicates that the issue lies not with Claude CLI, but rather your project dependencies. Navigate to your project root and remove the node_modules folder using remove item node_modules-recurse-force. Also, delete the quote package -lock.json quote file with remove item package -lock.json-force. After this, run npm install to reinstall the project dependencies. If you are using pnpm execute pnpm install-force, for Yarn users, run yarn install-check files to ensure all necessary files are installed correctly. If you face native dependency build errors mentioning NodeJip, install the required Windows build tools by executing winget install Microsoft Visual Studio 22 build tools, then restart PowerShell and reinstall Claude Code. Next, check the integrity of your global path. Sometimes dependencies may exist, but the path variable could be broken. Type $end path-split to review your current path settings. Ensure that C uses, if it is missing, use the command setspath $end path $end apb data upon tile to add it. After this, open a new PowerShell window to apply the changes. Finally, perform a last validation to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. Type Claude Doctor to check for any remaining issues. This ensures that your setup is complete and ready for use.